So I think we found our worst COPPA mislabeling yet. This video has been marked as made for kids, and as you can see from the thumbnail, this is definitely not made for kids. The comments are turned off, and you can't add this video to a playlist, so it's been marked as made for kids. Look at all the videos that are being advertised alongside of it. Ryan's World, Coco Melon. These are the types of videos that are suggested because this video has been marked as made for kids. Notice how this is episode 4 of this series, whatever this animated series is. Well, every episode of this series has been marked as made for kids, even with thumbnails like these, thumbnails like this one, and a thumbnail like this one. Obviously, episode 4, which I just showed you at the start of the video, was the worst one, and they've all been uploaded by the same person, so I thought this was the case of a YouTuber marking all of their videos as made for kids. But I checked these two videos about the Vampire Diaries and stuff, and they aren't marked as made for kids. So I'll give this YouTuber the benefit of the doubt and say maybe YouTube marked all of these videos as made for kids themselves because they feature animated content. But guys, these thumbnails are so bad that I'm literally hurting my own YouTube channel by showing them. If these images are so bad that I'm going to hurt my own YouTube channel just by showing them for a few seconds, then that obviously means that they aren't appropriate for kids. In terms of pure, just, sexual content, this has to be the worst COPPA mislabeling or set of mislabelings that I've ever seen since January. Literally, there's no even censorship on things like that. That is so bad. This video of mine that you're watching right now is literally going to get demonetized instantaneously just because I showed all of that. But I have to show you guys so you guys can see how bad these COPPA mislabelings can get. So for the sake of me hurting my own YouTube channel to show you guys this, if you guys could subscribe and leave a like on this video, that would mean a lot. And there really just isn't much else to say on this. It's terrible. If you watch the videos, they're even worse, so I'm not even going to play them. Yeah, yet another terrible, terrible, terrible COPPA mislabeling. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this situation. Please like on the video and subscribe for more. See ya.